All right, how are your strong friends? Yeah, strong, I guess. In this morning's exercise, we'll do an emoji sketch. This emoji sketch is a reminder that life is not all about us and our feelings. With that said, a few common life scenarios will appear on the screen, and we are to sketch an emoji that could possibly, possibly, that's a key word, possibly, represent the feeling to the subject. So possibly, bear that in mind.
You know, so every time I tell them to make your hand draw, then give me one drawing.
Don't be worse.
I'm worse. All right, here we go. And this is a lot of... How are you feeling today? All right.
Oh, this is the
This is a feelings chart. No, I forgot you with this right. So I can't remember them, yeah? Scared, happy, sad, angry, excited.
Take off something.
Come on, you don't forget
All
you
right.
with them.
Colson has lost his favorite teddy.
How is Colson feeling? I can't tell you how I'm feeling. I can't really tell you how Colson is feeling. Oh, sorry, Harry. I didn't know you were...
My emoji small.
You see how only paper them give me?
I'm just... See?
Where you get here from, Pan Colson?
No, it's a ball spot.
Oh.
It's a ball spot. Oh. Like no receipt.
What's next? Let me move this.
Color in here.
And get out of Harry's way. Clevance gave his new car to his friend Prince to drive. Prince gave it to another friend who crashed it. How is Clevance feeling?
Okay. So this is Clevance right here.
This is Clevance. Me I gotta tell you why this is Clevance. Because Clevance have insurance on him car. And the fact that Prince him gay and Prince friend crash it, Clevance is a new car you get, my brother. Yes, man.
And this is because Clevance don't have insurance. Makes Clive not no insurance. Insurance up yesterday?
No.
Car crash today?
Walmart's, them things that not happened to him. Prince, Jamal.
Oh, Prince Gay.
I don't know Prince, but I'm going to pay for. Clive and Kerry have been playing football all day long. How are they feeling?
Imagine everything for one paper. I'm going to do this now. I draw Clive. I can show you Clive. Oh, I'm just draw Clive. Alright, so this is Clive. And the reason why Clive is happy because Clive doesn't like to work out. See him nose? And it's an accurate representation of Clive. His head is bigger than his body. By far. If you see Clive, you'll know.
That's Clive. That's scary. Because when Clive done, Clive I said, Kerry, don't you feel good? And Kerry is like...
At all times, Clive is... Right.
I know.
Only use one paper. Next one.
Someone stole Jodie Ann's favorite book that was signed by Rob Hill Sr. Oh. How is she feeling?
Can I show you? Vex. You can't draw an emoji.
She ever got to show about this sketch with Vex. You never take the picture?
You can't draw an emoji for that. You have to draw here too, you know. Oh, see that. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I'm not angry enough up there, sir.
That's Jody all the time though. This is Jody with her. So her phone is in her hand, and she's on her.
Emoji them saying on a sketch.
Yeah, me can't emoji part. So she's surprised that her book was stolen.
Okay.
So you see the face. You
It
see her
should have
here.
worked yesterday.
You see her here. And her blog in her other hand. WTF food. WTF food. Yeah. And she have her phone in her social media. Phone always in hand.
WTF Joe.
Yeah. It's Joe, don't I left off the Joe. So yeah, that's her face.
Now the story where you tell her now what emoji. I never see emoji with hair and all them wonderful things.
New update. New
And foot.
new
You know shame you make Aaron know say emoji now have foot. Really? Really?
emojis
Really?
have feet. I'll show you my
Ay,
WhatsApp.
Lord have mercy. Come to my
Jody, you like my drawing? Alright. Wendy loves
Wendy
painting.
loves painting. One day Wendy's mom sold her favorite artwork. Wendy feels.
How much her mother sell it for? More. How much you sell it for? Alright. Wendy, I've told you to do. Yeah.
Why you gone in here?
Emojis, exactly. It's not just face.
No, me not reach nobody. Come on, yeah.
Why is she sad?
Because her mother sell her artwork.
Alright, so this is Wendy. And the eyes is supposed to be
Yeah,
dollars.
emoji them not no feelings in
Supposed
it.
to be it have feelings. These are teeth. These are teeth. Like teeth.
Oh, jeez.
And this was with dollar signs. If you zoom up closer, dollar signs in her eyes, getting some money for her painting. I think I got it close enough for Wendy. See here?
So when the teeth scatter? me just want Wendy, I hope you understand how Dwayne feels
It's not,
about
not
it.
drawn to scale. Oh,
Me
soft
just
man.
said, whoa, it's Softman's birthday. He's having a party today on Zoom. How is Softman feeling? We don't have enough paper to draw Softman.
Alright, so
How is
Softman.
Softman feeling?
I'm not sure if you can see it. So this is soft man right here dancing.
Dwayne draw birthday cake.
This is him dancing. So he's doing the boogie. Why is soft
That's a
man?
Softman like a side
True, side laugh. It's
side laugh.
him side smirk. No man, soft man is having a party day on his birthday.
What I want to say is where Softman would have his birthday, I would not be there. So this, may I draw what me would have said?
See him hot, I want him hot. I tried to color the hat. I ran out of time. Oh God.
Lord have mercy.
I'm saving this.
Yeah.
I like the one with Jody. Marvin baked a pie for his co-workers, but on his way to work, the cops stopped him and took away his pie. How does that make him feel? Well, I know it made me
I
feel.
know it would make him co-worker and them be very happy. How does that make Marvin feel? Marvin baked a pie?
You think I bake Marvin bake the pie and police take it away? Marvin bake the pie and eat it. And just vex him now no more for eat.
I don't know, man, draw. That face is too long for Marvin. No,
Sorry.
face.
So, see, this is Marvin. I tried to draw. I was going to draw the police car in the background, but.
Of course, Marvin is bigger than that. I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to do the belly part.
So Marvin head there. The O in October. Him know is missing.
Marvin get abs. We draw some abs to Marvin. Side abs. Marvin have abs.
Yeah.
It's a Clive's car broke down in the middle of the highway. How is Clive feeling? It's a simple emoji for Clive.
That's how Clive is feeling?
Yeah, man. Clive is like this every day. Oh, yeah. I forgot the part there. I have a little hat too. Beard upon his face.
A beard, yeah, drop no doing. You go out of, you're out of there now.
I can't do this. So Clive, that's his beard. Forgot his beard.
But Clive beard more than his head.
Yeah. You ever seen beard?
Oh, that mercy.
Clive head small, you know.
Because,
But his ears small.
mercy
We have small ears and a small head. Always have on a hat and a beard. A full out in beard though. Delia, Kadine's friend surprised her with a bag of Julie mangoes. How is she feeling? Kadine going to share the mango them, you know. Which is a problem. You see Kadine hairstyle? New hairstyle?
no.
I'm going to draw it for you.
Hello.
So this is the mango stain on Kadine's mouth.
And this is Kadine dancing on top of her head
With her new hairstyle.
because she got mango.
You see her new hairstyle?
She have a mohawk?
No, it's like she...
Waterfall?
Yes, waterfall.
I haven't seen it. I have to go look. All right.
Please don't me join anything more. Me have big enough.
I think the viewers don't want to see anymore.
Oma Wally.
talked to his boss about a raise, but the conversation did not go smoothly. Ah, Jesus. Oma Wally feels. Yeah. Hands in the air. The Oma Wally now take it lightly. Hey, all right. Me know some Wally will come back to work, you know. So, Wally, remember how me draw you here, my friend? I remember doing...
Drawn to scale.
Coming up next, strategic ways the sports industries can bounce back post-COVID-19. We're going to be right back.